Hello, my name is Cora. I'm going to walk you through the mixing instructions of the Silicone Soft Touch Coating, also known as low coefficient of silicone coatings. Part number STC370 and STC370HP. The Natron STC370 and STC370HP are a two-part silicone elastomer formulated for spray coating as well as dip coating silicone rubber products. These silicone rubber coatings, once cured, decrease the coefficient of friction and increase abrasion resistance compared to the uncoated silicone. We may refer to the STC370 and STC370HP as the coating and vice versa. In this video, we present step-by-step mixing and preparation instructions. Please note that both the STC370 and STC370HP follow the same mixing instructions presented below. Required items: coating, catalyst, solvent, mixing container, spatula, and most importantly, a weight scale. Mixing steps. Step 1. Set the container on the weigh scale and zero the scale. Step 2. Add STC370HP to a container. Note the weight. This is particularly important. The catalyst ratio and solvent ratios are dependent on the coating weight. Step 3. Zero the scale and add the SC45X catalyst, which should be 10% of the coating weight. Mix the coating and the catalyst thoroughly. Step 4. Go ahead and add solvent to the mixture. It should be 200% to 500% of the STC370HP coating. Mix again. Stir thoroughly to ensure homogeneity. Then, let the mixture settle for 5 minutes. Next is to spray or dip coat a silicone rubber product in a dust-free environment. Let the coated parts sit for 2 to 5 minutes. Then, heat the coated parts at 275 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 10 minutes. Lastly, you let the parts cool. Amazing, right? Now, you are ready to go!